So the lab 2, last time we had some problems, so we couldn't continue. So let's try. Let me open the lab. Yeah, where's the... Oh, I didn't post the link. I thought I did.
Yeah, you did, but it's on home.
Here? Why did I put here? Okay, I'll fix it because I'm supposed to put the link something like this one. Maybe I'll do it now. So lab 2, this one. Lab 2. Put it here. Okay, so I did a mistake. I think I'll have to upload it into here. Okay, so lab 2. Okay, so first one. So I'll quickly doing this because last time we spent some time on the password reset. So let me start up my virtual machines. So exercise 1, preparing Microsoft Entra ID for ADDS integration. So you can also open answer key. I mentioned that. So if you open the GitHub, there is the lab 02 AK or lab AK02. Why they call this way? Lab 02, lab AK, okay. So I quickly use this one. So lab setup. So before doing that, before doing exercise, there was a lab setup. So the lab setup here, virtual machine must be running. We use ADM1 in this lab. So you directly go to the use answer. They say, okay, we need to do the lab setup. So sign in ADM1. Last time we had trouble to sign in here. And we open the Azure portal. We open Azure portal, lab setup. You have an Entra tenant and user account with global administrator role in that tenant. Okay, so this is the setup. We need to create a tenant, and then we made a global administrator role. We created a user account and make it as a global administrator role in that tenant. So in this one, we log in, we go to manage tenant, we create a new tenant. So go to Azure portal, open the browser. The organization name, we follow this way. Contoso, and give some random number. Give a random numbers. So let's try that. I think Akihiro, you said your internet didn't work. Okay, good, thank you. So you go to portal. Is it portal.azure.com? Or you can Google it, search it, doesn't really matter. You will find the link very easily. The actual link is portal.azure.com. This one. To save some resource, I'm going to close this relevant window. So just make sure I don't use additional resource to slow down my virtual machine. Exit. So I have a hard time to open this link. And then you find the manage tenants. Wait, okay, I'll wait. So I'll adjust the mouse scale. I think there's a way to. I'll adjust the pointer size. I use black, extra large. Okay, so log in. School account. I don't remember this. Oh, okay. I can log in. Can I? Oh, I need the authentication. 54.
I don't know the password. Yeah. Did make it?
You are knowing the
I have it on the definition, but I don't have it. But the is the password. I don't have this password.
You've been training the right and was in the
But I don't have the password.
Un problema nuevo, digo, the nose is related to the forestation and the primary domain failed. Teacher,
Yeah.
I have problem, but I don't have idea what happened.
One moment. Let's finish this. Let's finish this. Manage tenants. So where's manage tenants? So why is resec? I think somewhere it says in the overview. Okay, so it browse. Okay, we go to Entra ID first. So after you log in, so go to Entra ID. It's very easy to find. So, oh, it's not moving. This one. I have a hard time to. So is my machine dead? Oh, it's not responding. So I'll just wait. So it's okay. This is not responding. Oh, the server crashed. But my DC is not responding. So that's no good. My DC may crash as well. Why is the so hard time?
Aplicando o controller pues con fuzzy contra aí eles como todos os ministérios não dá para é que eu quero assim então eu quero tá até por mim então eu não vou usar não para mas ela não usa
Okay, so my PC crashed. Maybe the computer like performance, right? Maybe the memory is on strength, you see?
Yeah.
So the memory is 92. So Teams use lots of memory. Teams. But I have no choice. So you continue, you go to portal, go to Entra ID, and there's a manage tenants. We add tenants. Okay, DC is coming back. Okay, it's coming back. Let's try one more time. Close it. Okay, let me try one more time. So go to portal.azure.com. Sign in. And you go to Entra ID. It's very easy to find. Entra ID. Here. Click View under Manage Entra ID. Then we go to Manage Tenants right here. Manage Tenants. Click on Manage Tenants. You need to create a new tenant. So click on Manage Tenants. And you say Create. So these were created before, so but I cannot delete it. I don't have permissions. So if I delete it,
Teacher, there's a problem we enter our personal accounts in the Azure because our contingent one is not. Thanks.
well, let me finish my recording first. I'll help you. I thought last time everyone was able to create your Azure account, right? Last time before the exam, everyone was able to create the Azure account.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I'm going to follow this. Once you go to manage Microsoft Entra ID and manage tenants, create tenants, add new tenant, create, select create. And we select next configuration. Select the next configuration. And then we gave organization name. We just use the Contoso organization. Then we gave initial domain name. This one must be unique. Contoso, you gave a random number. If you use this one, it won't work. It says in used. Somebody already used it. You see, already in use by another directory. So you just gave another random number. Review, create. Require information missing or not valid. Which one is missing or not valid? Controls the organization? Oh, okay, basic. Select the tenant type. So I cannot select. You must have a subscription. Let me see if I go to which directory. I'm not sure if you can do that. Why give me this? I think last time we were able to do that.
Oh.
Nine 7 1 6 7 9.
Okay. ESC. ESC? ESC.
Mas a gente fez essa impressão, né?
Não desceu? Aí eu tô do sim. Aí foi assim, ó. Aperta Enter e logo depois o ESC tem que ser rápido. Enter e ESC. Não, já era.
So I'll try one more time. You don't have access. I thought last time we actually did some
Bem rápido, sabe?
so does everyone are you able to create a new tenant? So can everyone try? Why I don't have access? Yeah. So everyone try to create a new tenant. See if you can add.
Try to choose. But
Yeah.
Can't see.
Yeah, me too. Customers must pay. License. Yeah, we may not be able to do this exercise. Yeah. Microsoft Entra ID. Create a tenant.
I visited.
So we may not be able to do that because Akihito just showed me you have the option to choose Entra ID. It's great. You can now select because it says you must have a paid digital version. Is everyone the same? Can everyone try to create a tenant? See if it's working.
Select user account does not exist in tenant Microsoft Services.
But last time I thought I had access.
But I wasn't on the class that we created.
We were able to, right?
I wasn't here on the class that
Yeah,
created.
yeah.
No, I was not here. Uh,
So manage tenant. Create. Oh, right now each tenant create tenant.
this is. This is.
Okay, now I can. So okay, I'll still finish this lab if I'll see if whether you can or cannot. So I use Entra ID and I put Contoso, give a random number. And select create. For SL3Y3. Create.
Your password doesn't expire, or else it's going to keep showing that. And then. Yes. Oh, yeah, the same thing. Go to change the date. Not language. Yeah, you have to put on October instead of. But you did only for the one. Now you have to do it in February.
It was in my March, right? It was too much. So the same, all of them, it must be the same, right?
I don't know what, I just know that my other software.
Create it. Doesn't go anywhere. So select create. BYRSK. B3KXR. Okay, so it says it's already created somehow. It's just says creation failed. It says already exist. Okay, I already created. And then we go to yeah, I was able to because I went to the college, couldn't college. I'll help you see if you can. Maybe it's the same for everyone. You couldn't. Maybe only I can create it. Okay, so if I go to manage tenants again, so before was there's one added here before. If you remember, if you can watch my recording, I only had 1, 2, 3, 4 before. Now I had 5. I just created 41, 841. These were created before. Okay, so this is the setup. Okay, now I'm going to do exercise 1. Exercise 1, preparing Entra ID for ADDS integration. So we need to use the tenant we just created. So make sure you go to your tenant. There's a link after you hide tenants, right? If you go to manage tenant, and there's a link. I just go click the link for my tenant. Just created 840. This is the one I just created. And you see the some tenants details, but not much information. And then from the top right hand, you can switch directory. And you can pick up the tenants you want. Each tenant is a directory. It's like Active Directory, but they don't call it Active Directory. So you can switch directory. So you see I can switch to, oh, I'm already in 40. Sorry, I don't see 40. I could only switch to 1849456. Why can't I go 40? Maybe I'll log out, log in back. Okay, so this time I try to switch directory.
I don't know what to do with that one.
So it's in working.
Yeah.
So you don't have to do it.
Switch directory. Yeah, now I can see 40. So the first time maybe it wasn't refreshed. Then, so now click switch. Now I'm logging into the directory or the tenant I just created, ending 40. So now we start. I'm going to do the exercise 1, prepare Entra ID for ADDS. So this one you must log into the tenant you just created. But somehow, if you couldn't create tenants, then different story. I have to help you to see if we can really do this lab or not. But I still finish my demonstration. You can review. So the first task, create custom domain. So first task, create a custom domain. So on ICA ADM1, start Edge, then go to Azure Portal. So I'm going to do it again, right? So I go on ADM1. I'm going to close this one. What it says, start Edge, then go to Azure Portal. Okay. Start Edge. And go to Azure Portal, which is portal.azure.com. I'm going to close Server Manager because I don't use it. It's to save some resource. Although it shouldn't use very much, but I will close as much application as possible. So it's automatically log in because I just closed the window. Maybe I'll log out. So let me log out. I shouldn't close directly, so I'll log out. And I close the Edge, I open Edge, go to portal.azure.com. So I don't set up a break time because this computer is slow, wasting lots of time. If you need to use bathroom or you need to use what, just go ahead. I'm recording this. So now I take a screenshot. So this is the screenshot. So you go to Azure Portal. Full screen. So this is the first screenshot. So on ADM1, start Edge, then go to Azure Portal. Secondly, use the credential. So use your credential and sign in. Sign in. So after sign in, yeah, after sign in, you take another screenshot. What are you going to do for account sign in? You can't sign in. Let me finish this. I have to help you. To sign in 136440. I thought the first last class everybody was able to sign in.
No, we just.
No, last class when I first create Azure for education, everybody was able to, and everybody was able to sign in. Okay, now let me finish this. I really want to finish this and full screen. Okay, this is the sign in screen. Second screenshot. You sign into Azure portal. And then we browse Entra ID. Browse to Entra ID. Expand manage section in the left navigation pane and select custom domain name. Then add contoso.com. Manage custom domain name. Custom domain names. So this task only this task teaches us how to create domain in Azure, but we don't really create a domain because we don't own this domain. You must own the domain before you can create. It needs some validation. It just tells us the process how to create a domain. I don't think we actually create a domain, or we don't do any validation. So we add a domain. So add custom domain is great for me. So I'm going to, because I don't have this, I don't have this permission. So I'm going to switch directory. Remember, this is not the directory I had full permission. I'll switch directory to the contoso. I have many contosos. So I just use A40, the one I just created today. So first you log in, you need to make two multi authentication, multi-factors authentication. You need to install Microsoft Authenticator on your phone. So scan this, what's that? You need to scan this code, open Authenticator. And you scan this code. You click add. This code. Click next. Enter 69 on your phone. And it worked. So this is multi-factor authentication. Okay, so now I go to manage Entra ID and manage, click manage, and you find the custom domain name. So this step tells us how to add a domain name. Custom domain name. Now I can add custom domain because I couldn't add the custom domain in Canadian College directory. I don't have permission. So that's this is the directory we created. So click add custom domain. Nothing happened. Okay, so customer input, I put the copy paste contoso.com. So I add contoso.com. Okay, so which step? Oh, I forgot to take a screenshot. So in the Azure portal, browse to, I'll give that screenshot. And on Entra ID, we select manage, then add contoso.com. Okay. So I click add contoso.com. This is the page. Okay. So I'll take full screen. Oh, there's a click sounds like camera. Okay, so add contoso.com. I review the DNS record type. So this is the DNS record type. You need to create, if you own this domain, you own DNS, then you create this record, then the domain is verified. But we don't own this domain, we can't verify. So, but we just know, review the DNS type you would use to verify and then close the pane without verify. Just close it. We don't verify. Okay, so this is the result. I'll take another full screen. So I still missing, I forgot to take a screenshot in Azure portal browse to Entra ID. Okay, I just go back, just take a screenshot. So go to it, go to the home, go to the Azure ID. So this is the first page of Entra ID. I need to take this screenshot as well. This is the overview page. Okay, so this is the page. I'll take a full screen. So this finished access task 1, not exercise 1. Okay, task 2. Create a user with global administrator role. So on ICA ADM 1, Edge. In the Edge window, Windows displaying Microsoft Entra ID page, browse to all users. Okay, let's go to all users. I don't have all users, I only have users. So go to users and create account with the following properties. Username admin. Oh, after click users, there's all user. Okay. After click user, there's all user. Username admin, ensure domain name drop down menu for username, list the default domain name ending with Microsoft.com. Record complete username. For example, admin Contoso 355017131. So you need to change it, right? Because this is from the lab manual. Yours must not be 731. Everyone is different. This name must be unique. So I create the new user, right? Create new user. And username is called admin. And this is the domain name ending with Microsoft.com. Copy this domain name. But this is for example. So don't change anything of this lab. You just record it somewhere. You don't need to record. Don't change it because this is a part of the lab. I think in the beginning it says don't change anything of the lab, so don't change it. But this is not yours, okay? You record it somewhere. Maybe I'll record it. I just recorded somewhere. I'll say it's complete user name admin, my complete username admin at this one. Oh, it's automatically copied admin, Contoso 3550180. Because we are going to use it, right? I'll highlight it. Because you will need it, you need to record it. Name and role, global administrator. So where's role? We don't see it in the role. Okay, password auto-generated. It didn't give us. Use show password. We need to know the password, okay, because you will use it. So click show password or copy. There's no show password. Just copy the password, paste it, record it here. Password. So I'm going to click next because I don't see where I can put row. So I click next. I still don't see any row here. Click next. Here, add row. Under assignment, add row. So you add global administrator. Global administrator is full, has full permission. Global administrator has all permission. So there's a long list of rows. You can search global administrator. So check it. Review and create. Validation failed. Required information is missing. Which one is missing? Display name, admin. We put any information out there, you just fix it. Okay. So create a user. This is only step. This is only task. So record this. So this is the result, but the result doesn't show my user. I think somewhere you can refresh. click refresh. So before you take a screenshot, make sure you display shows admin. So now it's good to take a photo. Here's a click sound. It's fancy. Okay, task 2, only one step. Create a new user. Task 3, change password for the user with global administrator role. Sign out and sign in with the user you just created. Remember, you need to remember the username and password here. So sign out. Sign out. Sign out. And sign in with a user account you just created. Okay, then sign in. Use another account. Okay, so now the account you just copied from here, right? So use this user to log in. This is the global administrator role for this tenant. And you give password. You need to remember, write down the password. Sign in. So you need to update your password. Okay, current password. Give a new password. Maybe I'll use the same password because I cannot use same password. Okay. Give a new password. I just used pa55w.rd. Oh, we see this password many times before. Okay. I have to use another password. Okay, now you have to use the complex password. Nobody knows. So did you forget this password?
Actually,
No, this is, you need to use this account.
yeah,
Yeah, it's automatically generated, right? The first time.
sorry.
The first time what the password was automatically generated. You copy it down.
Oh,
But I can help you, don't worry. Let me finish this. So, okay, now I have to do this authenticator again for this user. So every user need to use this authenticator. Then you have lots of authenticator setup. So scan the code. Scan the code. And click next. 87. 87. So now it's working. Done. Okay, so this is the screenshot. So you sign in with this new user. Okay. Record the password used. So my password is this. Password. Canadian. Okay. Oh, I forgot to take a screenshot. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, so I'll sign in one more time. So then I can take a screenshot. If you forget, take a screenshot. You can always redo it. Sign out. And sign in with this one. Okay, take a screenshot from here. Okay. So sign in by using the screen with user. When prompt change password. Now I don't prompt, so I don't have that. That's fine. I forgot to take a password. Now, okay. Password. Exercise 2. Oh, finally, we finished exercise 1. Exercise 2. Prepare. Preparing on-premises ADDS for Entra ID integration. You need to ensure your existing Active Directory environment is ready for Microsoft Entra ID integration. Therefore, you'll run ID fix tool and ensure that the UPNs of the Active Directory users match the Microsoft Entra tenants custom domain name. Okay, so now the two main tasks, right? Install ID fix, run ID fix. First, install ID fix. On ICADM1, open Edge, go to this page. Go to this page. So this is the first screenshot. Is it a screenshot? Yes, so take a screenshot. And then on GitHub, under click once, launch, select launch. We don't have that. I think last time we had different ways. Click, what it says again? Click once launch. We don't have that. Let me check the answer. Click once, launch. ID fix. Directory synchronize error remediation tool. Oh, okay, sorry, here. Click once launch, click launch. This is what they want us to do. Click launch. Yeah, the manual was correct. There's no issues. You can exactly find here on GitHub. Click launch. Actually, it's download the file. So take a screenshot of this one. The launch actually just download the file. And then in the ID fix privacy statement, we have to run it. Okay, dialog, review disclaimer, then select OK. ID fix, privacy statement, dialog. We don't have that. Do you have that? No, it says open files. Okay, let's open the files. Open the file. Did they do anything? So I click once. The application using download and run the setup. Okay. An error attempt to install. Oh, we have the error message. I remember that. I searched, I did some Google search, right? They changed I have to search again, I forgot. an error occurred attempting to install ID fix. Let me see. An error occurred to install ID fix. Oh, .NET Framework 4 is installed. Oh, we need to change registry. Okay, so you need to, I remember now. So we need to change registry settings. Change the registry settings, disable caching of SSL page. But the problem is we cannot change registry because of group policy. Remember? We did group policy, right? So, but mine is new VM. I didn't do that exercise. Okay, so change the registry. It's called reg edit. But the problem is if you are using the lab file from previous lab, you cannot open registry. Remember, there was a step. Do you remember that? There's a group policy. So you go to the, you need to, if you cannot open it, so you need to find out the group policy settings, and you can disable that settings. So when I open this group policy, I'm going to change it to H key current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, internet settings. Okay, let's find out. H key current user, what is again? I have bad memory. Software, Microsoft, internet, right? No, Windows, current version. Okay, Windows, current version, then internet, internet. Where's internet? Internet settings, right? Internet settings. Disable caching of SSL pages. Disable caching of this one. So right now it's set to 1. We want to set to 0. So don't disable it. Okay, set to 0. It says here set to 0. Okay. So normally you need this. We need to log out, log in back. So let's try. Let's try again. Go to your downloads. Double click this setup. Oh, you don't have to log in, log back, and now it's working. Okay, so in the ID fix privacy statement page dialog, I don't have that dialog now, right? So let's see. You want to install? Install. ID privacy statement page, click OK, right? That's what they want us to do. Then select OK. Okay, then you select OK. Okay, now you take a screenshot. So close all these windows. This is part of the lab. That's fine. You take a screenshot. Okay. So this is the task 1. Task 2, run ID fix. In ID fix window, select query. So let's select query. Where's query? I don't have query. Oh, it is query here. Wow, it's so hard to read. So query is selected, right? Query. Which one selected? What is it? Query? Query? Select query. Okay, it says schema warning. Is it the one they want us to do? Just take a screenshot. No, not this one. Wrong one, this one. One more. Okay, so select query. Select query, review the list of objects. I don't have a list of objects from on-premises directory. I don't have that. What is this? The following attributes are present in the schema, but are not marked for replication for the to the globe and will not be analyzed for error. Do you want to continue? Home. I don't have anything. I don't have anything. What this means? Review the list of objects from on-premises Active Directory and review the arrow and attribute column. In this scenario, the value display name custom console admin is blank, and the tools recommended new value appears. What is this? Cancel current query. Did it do anything? Cancel current query. Do you want to continue? The following attributes are present in schema, but are not marked for replication to the global catalog and will not be analyzed for errors. But I don't see anything. ID fix. Query. Weird. Query. So ID fix result is empty. ID fix query result empty. I don't see anything. One of the following happening: no match objects in scope. The OU or filter, you just like doesn't contain any objects. Query scope. Multi-tenant. Filter. Category equal person. Object category equals group. Object category is group. Object category person. Multi-tenant. Contoso.com. Yeah, why is empty? Permission issue. I don't have permission issue. Directory connection problem. Filter. Oh. Your directory already compliant with 365. This is actually a good thing. ID fix only shows objects with potential issues. Okay, that's good. So we don't see that. If you see nothing, that's good. That's okay. Review arrows, attributes, the value is blank. So we don't have anything. Okay. Arrows. Just take a screenshot of this. In the ID fix window, action drop down, edit, apply. Apply. So select apply. Select edit, then apply. Select accept, apply. So take a screenshot after you click apply. And select yes. Apply pending, select yes. Everything was empty. Okay. Okay, so then close the ID fix tool. Okay, close the ID fix tool. Okay, so this is the window, the last one. Exercise 3. Downloading, installing, configuring Microsoft Entra Connect. Okay, so task 1, install and configure Microsoft Entra Connect on SEA ADM1. In Edge window, go to Edge Azure portal. So of course you need to log in with the global role you just created, right? The user global administrator. Go to portal. So make sure you log in with admin at Contoso. This is the A40 is my account. Okay. So they want us to go to Entra ID manage download. Entra Connect. So we go to Entra ID, manage. Now my computer is stable. It didn't crash. Just a little bit slow. That's okay. So manage. Yeah, manage. Then thanks. We go to Entra Connect. Where's Entra Connect? Here, Microsoft Entra Connect. Under manage. Then browse to Entra Connect page. So this is the page. You take a screenshot. But we don't, this is Entra Connect, but it's get start page. Get start page. Get started with Entra Connect. Cloud Sync, Cloud Sync, and Connect Sync. So we go to Connect Sync. So the term has changed. There's no Entra Connect page. You go to Connect Sync. So take a screenshot of this one. And then from the Android Connect page, click download. It's actually called Click Connect Sync. Android Connect Sync. Download Microsoft Android Connect Sync. On Get Started, Manage tab. Get Started. So actually, I should take this page. Sorry. So you come here and take a screenshot of this page. Not this one. And then you click download. How long have you been sitting here?
All the time.
So you click download, but where's download? So you click Cloud Sync, Connect Sync. It tells you, interesting, it didn't give you the download link here. It asks you to download Microsoft Android Connect Sync on Get Started, Manage tab. So you go to Get Started and click Manage tab, and there's a download Connect Sync. It doesn't call Android Connect, it's called Connect Sync. So download, okay, to select download. Connect Sync agent. There's accept term and download. This is the screenshot. Accept license term and select continue. You select the accept term and download. There's no continue. Just say accept term and download. You take a screenshot. And then we install. We run it. Connect sync, download, under, okay. Connect sync, download. So then you open the file, run it. Open the file, run it. And there's the express setting. We use the express setting. Okay, agree, license term. Okay, express setting. This is the page. Click use the express setting. Okay, then you take a screenshot. And then on the connect to Entra ID page under username password, you create it. In exercise 1, username. So you remember I save it and I put in highlight, right, in yellow. Maybe you put your username password in yellow, then you can easily find password, the username. This password is no longer valid because I changed it. I changed it after I first log in. So this is username. Next. password. This one. Under username password. So you need to turn off this, what is called the Internet Explorer Enhanced Security Configuration. If you can try to add the site, but I think it keeps popping up. Add. So still empty. JavaScript is required to sign in. You need to enable JavaScript in Edge. So how to enable JavaScript in Edge? You go to settings. I don't know how to enable it. You just Google it, right? So you typed in, I have to find out, enable JavaScript in Edge. Open Edge, 3 dot, settings, cookies, and site permission. Cookies, settings, right? Go to settings. Cookies and site permission. Cookies, privacy, search and services, cookies, and site permission. JavaScript in site permission. I don't have site permission here. Outside. Where's the site permission? This is not accurate. This is not right. This one. Citing cookie permission. JavaScript. Okay. Cookies. Setting cookies and site permission. Maybe I can search JavaScript. JavaScript. Okay, allowed to use JavaScript. JavaScript is allowed. Site permission, all permission. JavaScript. It is allowed. Why it says not allowed? So I'm going to disable the Internet Explorer enhanced mode. So you open Server Manager, you can disable the Internet Explorer enhanced mode, IE enhanced security configuration. This one, but I don't use IE. This is Edge. Why is related? So I'll turn it off, see if it's help, i.e. enhanced mode. Turn it off. And I'll try one more time. See. Next. Okay, now it's good. So put the username. I have to copy my username again. Why ask me to username again? I already put it. So username, this one. Okay, put in password. Password. Put in password. Okay, when they want us to take a screenshot, don't miss any screenshot. Account, enter user and password. Okay, now you take a screenshot after you enter password. Right, under it says this one. Take a screenshot. And on connect ADDS page under credential provided. Okay, this is the credential to connect your on-premises ADDS. So this is your ADDS, your on-premises ADDS is your local. Would be Contoso administrator PA55W.RD. Do I need to take a screenshot? Yes. So we need to take a screenshot of this. On Entra ID sign-in configuration page, verify the new domain you added is in the list of Active Directory UPN suffix. So let's click next. Entra ID sign-in configuration. Okay. Entra ID sign-in configuration. Make sure Active Directory UPN suffix contoso.com is listed. Verify that new domain is added in the list of Active Directory UPN suffix. This is the one. Take a screenshot. The domain name you provided does not have to be verified. Well, you typically would verify domain, but we don't verify. Select continue without matching all UPN suffix to verify the domain name. We don't verify. Continue without matching all UPN suffixes to verify the domain name. Now it's ready to install. Oh, select it. Take a picture of this one. After you select this, take a picture of this one. And then we continue install. After you reach ready to configure, review the list of actions, start installation. Next, and start the installation. This is the final page. Take a screenshot. So let's wait. verify integration between ADDS and Microsoft Entra ID. Now we have installed and configured Entra Connect. So basically, connect the ADDS to Microsoft Entra ID. You must verify its synchronization mechanisms. So here, task 1, verify synchronization in Azure portal. Go to SEA ADM1, switch to Azure. Windows, go to Azure portal. So let me go to Azure portal. Actually, let's wait. Wait, this is configured. Close this setting.
It's a very good video.
It takes a long time. Takes some time.
I'm on the Facebook.
Now you understand both what it is and both what it is. Estoy arreglando esto. Es porque lo estoy arreglando.
Eu não tenho. Eu não tenho como.
Ahí va.
Já tá.
Tenemos un problema diferente.
Você podia me ensinar a fazer as pontas. student you have. Yeah. That's,
So maybe you have to be really good to Virgin.
tudo bem?
Virgin wants to be fine. Bem sólido. Não falando. Eu me dei tipo de fase. First meeting, we have to do something. And then
Yeah. Change account from to the income. This case much more. Which is the outside to everything. Você tá chegando? Você tá chegando?
Me baixar?
É.
94.
Ou da
Okay, configuration complete. Finally, now we go to the Azure portal. Go back to Azure portal, take a screenshot, switch back. Now refresh Entra Connect page and review the information under provision from Active Directory. So let's refresh the page. Now it is integrated. Your on-premises ADDS and Entra ID is integrated. So where do they want us to go? Provision from Active Directory. Okay, let's see, where is it? Provision from Active Directory. I have to go to the answer page. Exercise 4. Refresh. Provision from Active Directory. Where is provision from Active Directory? Connect Sync. It's under, it may be under Connect Sync. I couldn't find it. I don't know where to, oh, here, provision from Active Directory. Okay, it's under Connect Sync. So what do they want us to do? Review, just review the information under provision. It says sync status enabled, last sync less than an hour ago, password hash sync enabled, version is cloud sync. Okay, anyway, it says enabled. So take a screenshot. And the last sync was less than an hour ago. From Entra ID page, browse to user. Browse to users page. So we go to users. So go to Entra Connect, not Entra Connect. Go to Entra ID. Maybe I'll go click home. Go to Entra ID. Go to users. I don't see the user from Active Directory. So it's supposed to see users from Active Directory. Refresh. So it doesn't show. It takes some time. So it may take 15 minutes. It may take 15 minutes. So I'll be back.
Pero entonces otro sería a mayúsculas. Sí. Y ahora. Y la contraseña.
Ok, volta lá pro Entra. Volta, vai lá.
Pero porque me dice
Não,
que está
não.
Está aparecendo essa outra vez.
Vem, coloca esse drive. Vê se vai, faz alguma coisa. Na verdade, instala a moça. Instala. Eu acho que já foi. Isso, clica no. Isso.
Ah, la contraseña es.
Ali embaixo tem isso. Não. Só clica. Não pode mexer nele, senão você vai. Ok, fecha essa página e ele vai abrir.
Realmente no era. Es que le habíamos pero ¿cómo habíamos entrado?
Espera aí que ele vai abrir.
Había sido de la cámara.
I'll refresh page. Okay, I'll wait a bit. So I'll help by some students' questions. Let's see. Dr. Kino, right? You asked me something about. Can you come over here? Are you able to do that? So we can how to log in. Okay, so log in, try again, have a seat. And we can get it together. So which one? Which account?
my private account.
So the day we register, right? You know, two weeks ago we registered as a liberal student,
Creo que es en vez.
and you couldn't create what is the tenant?
Okay, está acá.
What tenant? Santiago,
Yeah?
were you able to create a new tenant?
No,
Harry, can you create a new tenant?
I can't even log in with my account. I don't.
Oh, right. Different story. Santiago, can you try to create tenant?
I will do from my machine because the virtual machine.
Everyone has some issues with your computer.
With the virtual machine, I don't know what happened.
Okay, I'll help you.
Daqui como é?
Porque você tá aqui. Não, eu te chamei já.
Será que você chamada?
Por que que
Go back. Go back.
You're na ASK.
Peraí, espera aí, eu teria que dar um.
No.
Aí, esse
No, espera. Ya, sí. Porque es que no, es que Windows Server.
No.
Creo que me metí directamente.
Oh, if you're supposed to do the subscription.
Porque Dios nos toca eso. Eso de la
E aí, vai ser ESC.
Ok, aquí era. Hay un onda.
Es que yo solo
Hay un color que me acabo de echar.
es que había unos donde la mujer entonces trabaja. Consideramos que 8 meses todos pedían contraseña
Não,
para
volta.
entrar
A
a
partir
era cuando para su
vai lá no meu quiosque e chega mais perto.
Ok.
você entra de acuerdo como cambiar entrar o modo seguro de acuerdo com pero no
なんかその人が今、まあでも、の市場に
Mas eu lembro como foi isso.
カナダの
Eu lembro. Eu fiquei meia hora tentando no início.
っていうのは、
nem deu nem mano
なんだろうね、
com ele
今って
Ok, aquí.
イベントにもすでに
Let's start with Windows. With sound.
em vez de
Voltei, voltei.
não tem aparecido
めちゃめちゃやるからですね。いや、撮ったらしい。
Também, falando.
多分気づか
É isso. Não. Space?
ああ、はい。同じものです。
Isso aí? Aí,
あ、信じていいかっすよね、すごい。
tá, tudo isso.
だって、下手すると、前にとって、そんなもんですよね。そう。
Clica no quiosque e segura.
さあ、立場は悪いです。
Você do laranjinho.
あ、アメリカドル。
面だけだ。うん。スイーツランドされたのかな。いいかもしれない。やっぱりそう。リフレンスはどっちにしてやるか。なんそのあたりのやつ。何にもし帰るのは僕なの。
Você é azul?
This is not one toしてもいけるかもしれない。一応、卒だから俺。日本はなんかフランスにちゃうから。絶対今のいや、考え高いから。それが安いか。安いから。あれだったかな。どんぐらいだったかな。出してるものが違う。そういう話。こっちで、最近普通にいたよ。し、これ普通にこれしてこれ運動したけがそのタイミングだから今、うどん飲めて、だけど。はい、でも、仮にフリックの他にあれにしてたとして、これでなんだろう。になりたい。
How to not die? Never let a gente consegue split isso. Esse no ar. Aí pisei. Tem uns gás aí que
そうなんだよね。全然こうして不安体験し。やってくれたわ。あれではない。
Mas não sai.
なんか変わらずです。Como? Ahora.
Todas
Chicken.
Y uno tiene que dice que lo cambien manualmente.
Esta se te
não. Eu só tenho 63, eu perdi.
Yo voy a poner para que lo
intercambio de una vez.
Okay, you continue to do the exercise. Just to do the, don't do the setup. Yeah, do the try. See if you can finish that. You just do everything on your existing tenant. Don't need to create new tenant.
Por ejemplo, ya. Ah, que em vez de vir aqui.
Eu já publiquei
Primeira coisa.
Sí, o sea, cierran el dispositivo de la configuración de las pestañas y de abajo tiene sus.
Este.
Você tem cheio.
Luego lo hace.
Ok.
¿Por qué pasa? No sabemos, pero pasa.
Pero ya lo pudiste cambiar o no lo pudiste cambiar.
Yo sí,
O sí.
estoy tratando de cambiar el que sea el 21. Listo, el 21 de octubre. Ahora,
Direção aqui.
lo voy a herramientas. Users and computer, no.
Só uma pedra.
Ahora me voy a tools.
Direção junto.
Sin computer.
Ahora sí, ahora sí. Lo tengo para 15.
Ok, ahora cierro. Reinicio. Para meter con el con el información.
Nossa, mas eu não tenho muito da olhar. Você tá com fome?
Eu tenho comida.
Guarda aí? Ah, eu tenho aqui também.
Eu já comi. Eu tenho chocolate. Só consigo, tá?
Eu achei uma.
Sabe o que você tira?
Uma das coisas muito
Guarda aqui. Não. Ai, vou perder no nosso caminho. Eu não, mas eu não cheguei a ver se tinha mais um bom. Também é. Ai, vamos era ruim. Eu tô com fome e tô. Eu tenho
Y reinicia para que te metas en el administrador.
Você comer?
Não,
Não?
acho que não. Às vezes eu confio também. Mas tudo bem, vamos. Aí, volta. Eu gostei. Ai, pode ser. Olha minha boca. Eu tô descansando aqui. Não, eu adorei. Tá. Eu vou. Ai, achei fruto.
Ai, sim.
Achei fruto. Sempre tem que avançar. Nossa, minha.
Como é que a gente sabe isso pronto? Nossa.
Pero dicen que la hay acá.
Pera.
Ahora.
Negócio lá.
Bom.
So I still don't have the user showed up here. Let me find out. It's supposed to your on-premises users should be listing on the cloud.
Yeah.
That's what's that?
I already, yeah, like I already fixed my problem.
The synchronization service scheduler is suspended until the setup wizard is closed.
Listo.
Closed?
Y ahí
E aqui embaixo.
está. Ya estando ahí, puedes. Ya vamos a hacer.
Eu não consigo guardar. Você consegue guardar? Eu guardei dois. Eu só eu tô pesado, né? Você quer comer?
The one that I saw on Facebook.
Não, pode comer, eu tô cheia já. Eu ia comer algo mensagem. Não desenvolve então?
Like 200?
That's one for
Steve goes to the
We can't do this one. As well.
It's like 400.
400
For 6 years.
64 Now, okay, 32 is fine. Promotion 32.
32 is back.
Ahora sí cambiaron los promos.
Yo,
32 is actually.
Como se supone, ahí ya está bien. Por eso. I mean, to now. I don't know in the future.
but how many other ability?
Just wanted to know.
So I'll continue. Although the user is now showing up here, I'll see if it show next time. So now I don't see the user. Okay, I still need to take a screenshot. Now from the users page, browse to group page, users. Okay, click users. Go to groups. So take a screenshot of groups because you see on-premises groups, it shows two. It did find some on-premises information. Reveal the list of groups syncs from Active Directory. All groups. So these are the groups from DNS admins, DNS update proxy. So these are from Active Directory. If I open Active Directory users and groups, so I have some groups already saying, oh, it's very slow. I have many groups, but only DNS admins and DNS update proxies are showing up. It may take time because I have so many groups, but only two are there. So take some time. Okay, take some time. Take a screenshot. Verify synchronization in Synchronization Service Manager. So on ADM1, Start menu, expand Entra Connect. Start menu. So find Entra Connect. Where's Entra Connect? Azure AD Connect, this one. What they want us to do? Expand Entra Connect, then select Synchronization Service. So let's find out where's Synchronization Service. Here, So click on synchronization service. And what they want us to do, let's take a screenshot first. So lots of information here. Under operations, review the tasks. So under operations, these are the tasks. So directly open the synchronization service manager. You see there are export, full synchronization. Everything was success. Completed, no objects, full at 180. Okay, review these. Review the tasks that were performed to sync the Active Directory objects. So which one is sync the Active Directory objects? Full synchronization, this one, full synchronization. Full synchronization. Take a screenshot. And select select connectors tab. Notice the two connectors. Are there two connectors? Yes, two connectors. Take a screenshot. One connector is for ADDS, the other is for Entra tenant. So one is for ADDS, contoso.com, ADDS, the other is for Entra tenant. Number 4, close synchronization manager window. The screenshot. Task 3, update user account. Open server manager, Active Directory, users and computers. Open this one. I already did. So let me open it again. So open this tool, Active Directory, users and computers. So let me close it, open again. Open this one from Server Manager, Tools, Active Directory, Users and Computers. So take a screenshot. And in Active Directory, Users and Computers, expand the sales OU. We don't have sales OU, so let's make up sales OU. We only have Seattle OU. We didn't have sales OU. So I quickly create new OU called sales. And then you expand sales, but we have nothing. They have something. And then open the property for Smash region. So we create this user, Smash, not Smash, Smash region. Create new user. New user. We call it Sumesh, first name and last name. Rajan, last name Rajan. Okay, so this one we did, we create, okay, we create user, Sumesh. Sumesh. Okay, so we have this user, and then double click, open the properties. Take a screenshot. And then we go to organization tab. Organization tab. And we made it job title manager. Job title manager. Then select OK. So then you select OK. Task 4, create a new user account in Active Directory. In sales UU, first name Jordan, last name Mitchell, login name, logout name Jordan, password PA55W.RD. Okay, we quickly make up this user. Jordan Mitchell. Maybe I'll copy paste. It's very quick. Copy. So make a new user. First name Jordan, last name Mitchell. Logout name Jordan. Password PA55 PA55W.RD, PA55W.RD. Okay, take a screenshot. So you can see Jordan is there. This is task 4. Task 5, sync changes to Entra ID. So we open PowerShell as administrator. I'll close this PowerShell. I already opened once, so let me close the window. So open PowerShell as administrator. So you can right click and start terminal. This is PowerShell. So it says administrator, Windows PowerShell. So take a screenshot. And then we run the following PowerShell command. Start Active Directory, start AD sync cycle. Start AD sync cycle. Result success. Oh, that was fast. That was fast. That's good. Oh, after that, it can take 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. We don't have 50 minutes. Okay, task 6. Verify changes. So we go to Edge, Azure portal, go back to Entra ID page. So we go back to Edge and go back to Entra ID portal. Go back to Entra ID page. So this is Entra ID page. Overview page. Daniel, is your Entra ID okay? Yeah, are you able to log in? I think Caroline couldn't log in, right? Can now log in? So I have to help. So it didn't show. Didn't show. Okay, so I'll pause here. So you finish, you can as far as you can, but I don't set up due date for now because I haven't finished yet. But at least you can come to finish exercise 1 to 4. I just want to mention that you don't have to create, you don't have to do the setup. So the setup was to provide additional tenant. You directly do the exercise 1 to use your tenant, use your existing tenant. You don't need to create new tenant because I noticed Akihito couldn't create new tenant because you have to have a paid version. We don't have a paid version, so you don't have to create a digital tenant. Instead, you just use your own tenant. But in my exercise, because my full root tenant is Canadian College, I cannot use that. That's why I create new tenant. But you don't have to. See, start exercise 1. Okay, so I'll stop recording and I'll upload this file. And let's see if I can help some students.